Michaela and welcome back to the vlog. So today is actually day 4 of Vlogmas. It's just so crazy that it's already December 4th. My birthday is in 2 weeks, which I am so excited for. I actually don't know what I'm gonna be doing for my birthday, but it's probably gonna have something to do with Disneyland, but we'll see. So today I am going to go over to Bed Bath & Beyond right now, and I'm actually gonna be picking up a gingerbread house making kit because Martin and I are gonna have a gingerbread house making kit contest tonight. So I thought that would be really fun to do. I would love to make it kind of a tradition that we do that, and hopefully it's something that we both end up enjoying, and hopefully I end up winning. But we'll see. You guys will be the judge of that. So I'm gonna do that, and then tonight I have a TRX class, and then after that we'll do dinner and do the competition. So I thought I would take you guys with me to Bed Bath. I've just been kind of hanging out doing stuff around the apartment today. I've been catching up on other Vlogmases. There's so many. The only downside about Vlogmas is when everyone is doing it, you just don't have time to watch everybody. So, and especially if you're doing it, you have extra less time. Okay, that's not a thing. But yes, you have way less time to watch videos. Also, my spray tan is coming off, so we're going to address that tonight too. All right, guys, let's head out. Okay, well, you don't want anything to do with me, and that's fine. I'm just your mom, but fine. It's all good. That doesn't hurt my feelings anyway. Okay, I put a sweater on because it's very cold outside. Alexa, play holiday music. Does anyone else play music for their animals when they leave? Goodbye, I love you. Okay, goodbye. You guys, we got the goods. This is like the only reason that I'll even come to Bed Bath & Beyond is if I have these. I'm not a loyal Bed Bath & Beyond gal, all right? Only when I have the coops. It's so busy in here. There's like literally a million people in here. I can't even film. Like every corner I turn around, there's a person. So I'm not gonna film. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? Gryffindor always. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys the things that I went to Bed Bath & Beyond for. So the first thing that I wanted to get was this gingerbread house making kit. These are so cute and they're only $10. So even if you had a party and you got like a bunch of people together and you did this, that would be super fun. Like that's my idea of a good time. I got 2 of them so Martin and I can each do one. So cute. And then the other thing that I got is called the Paw Prints ornament, and basically you just take your little dog and you can do their foot imprint for an ornament, which I thought would be so cute to do with this one for this tree. I'm so excited. So yeah, we're just hanging out now. I'm gonna probably make some lunch real quick, and then I have TRX. I'm gonna go to the earlier class at 5 so I can be home in time to shower and get ready to film. All right, time for lunch. For lunch today, I think I wanna do a little tofu. I'm not really sure exactly what I wanna do. Maybe I will grill it. Okay, so I decided to go with a smoothie instead because all of our pans are washing and I can't grill anything. So smoothie, and yeah, we're just chilling. My Target box came that has my shoes. This is a really big box for just a little box of shoes. Like I don't really like this. Target, that's really an unnecessary amount of box. These are the Nika boots. I got them in a size 11. Honestly, I'm like between a 9.5 and 10 depending on the shoe. But with Target shoes, they just tend to run really narrow. So I always try to get an 11 and they usually work out. So cute. So I'm gonna try them on. Hopefully they work. Hi Chia, what do you think? Doesn't care. Here we have the little gingerbread kits. I think we're gonna do this tomorrow. Me versus you.
It's on.
You're going down. Have you been doing research today?
All day. You think I did my job? My job was to win this gingerbread house.
We have HP on in the background, of course. And yeah, we're just gonna get to doing this. Chia was here. She would very much like to play fetch, but that's not gonna happen right now because we have to film. Doesn't understand. All right, guys, this is a little behind the scenes of when I shoot like actual videos. We are in PJs and we have our setup here. I don't have a beauty room or anything, so I usually just use my living room. Because we have a smaller living room, I have to literally move everything around every time I film. So there is just like stuff everywhere, and we're trying to connect the camera to the laptop, and yes, you know, it's just what you gotta do. We are in the middle of making the gingerbread houses. I will say, not a whole lot of progress. Kind of horrified by my performance. I'm a little triggered. Yours like looking pretty solid. Oh wait, no, that's mine. Just kidding. Oh God. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna end the vlog here. It is 12:30 at night, so it is way past our bedtime. Make sure you guys tune in tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 5. Bye.